Are you a beginner looking to step into the exciting world of real estate investing but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Real estate investing can be a rewarding journey if you approach it with the right knowledge and strategies. In this guide, we'll explore valuable tips and resources to kickstart your real estate investing journey. 1. Where should I start investing as a beginner? As a beginner in real estate investing, it's essential to lay a solid foundation. Start by learning how to find deals through a strategy known as wholesale real estate. Wholesale real estate involves finding properties at a significant discount and then assigning the rights of those deals secured with a purchase contract to other investors for a profit, an assignment fee. This approach allows you to dip your toes into the real estate waters without the need for substantial capital investment. Moreover, it's an excellent method to learn about property values, negotiation skills, and deal analysis, setting you on the right path for a successful journey in real estate investing. Understanding the mechanics of wholesale real estate will provide you with valuable insights and serve as a stepping stone to more complex investment strategies as you gain experience and confidence in the real estate market. Whether you're eager to get started with just a few $100s or willing to invest more, wholesale real estate provides a practical approach for beginners to break into the real estate market. Through proper education and hands-on experience in wholesaling, you can gradually build your investment portfolio and expand into various real estate investment opportunities. 2. Recommended real estate investing books for beginners. One of the best ways to learn and gain insights into real estate investing is by reading books. I might be biased a little. Here are 2 recommended books for beginners in real estate investors written by yours truly. Book number 1, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling. This one right here, okay? This book provides valuable insights into the wholesale real estate strategy, guiding you on how to identify, negotiate, and close deals successfully like a pro. Inside the book, you will discover 3 pillars of a real estate wholesaling empire in the modern age. Book number 2, Real Estate Money Secrets. Explore this book to uncover the financial secrets and strategies that can help you navigate the real estate investing landscape effectively. This book is the insider secrets to real estate investing and building a real estate empire from scratch like a pro. For those eager to dive into these resources, both books are available for free to download right here. 3. Learning from YouTube. Real estate investing for beginners is a treasure trove of knowledge. You can find all kind of stuff on YouTube. There's real estate information available for beginners. The digital platform offers an array of educational content, making it a prime resource for those beginning their real estate investment journey. One exceptional channel to explore is Empire Pro, of course, with over 1,000 free videos covering various aspects of real estate investing. This channel provides a rich learning experience from fundamental concepts like understanding property types and financing options to more advanced strategies such as market analysis, investing planning. My Empire Pro equips you with a diverse range of insights. Engage with the content, ask questions, and join the community of aspiring real estate investors for a supportive and enriching learning experience. By leveraging YouTube channels like My Empire Pro, you can gain valuable knowledge, learn from experienced investors, and stay updated with the latest trends and developments in the real estate market. It's a flexible and accessible way to expand your understanding and expertise in the world of real estate investing. Remember, the more you learn, the more confident and informed you become in making successful investment decisions. Obviously, the first step to that is to obviously hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications in order to be notified when I drop the next video. 4. Embracing webinars. Real estate investing for beginners. In recent times, webinars have gained popularity, replacing traditional seminars due to their convenience and accessibility. Unlike conventional seminars, webinars spare you the pressure of enduring relentless sales pitches from gurus who may not provide the personalized coaching you seek. Webinars offer a unique platform to gain valuable insights into real estate investing for beginners right from the comfort of your home. These online events often feature seasoned investors, industry experts, and successful individuals sharing their experiences and expertise. You can explore a myriad of topics strategies, and tips, all aimed at helping beginners navigate the real estate investing landscape effectively. Embrace this modern approach to learning, as it always allows you to gather knowledge and interact with experts without leaving your home. Stay informed, engaged, and prepared for your real estate investment journey. 5. Starting your real estate investment journey with limited funds. The question many beginners ask is, can I invest $100 in real estate? While it's possible, it's crucial to ensure that you are adequately informed before making any investment. If you find yourself in a position where you have limited funds, consider immersing yourself in educational content. Watch informative videos on the My Empire Pro YouTube channel to expand your knowledge before taking any investment steps. 6. Investing in real estate for passive income, a strategic approach. Building passive income through real estate is a popular goal. To achieve this, start by learning the ins and outs of wholesale real estate. Acquire the skills needed to find and negotiate the best deals, allowing you to accumulate properties that generate massive income over time. 7. Investing in rental property. Proceed with caution. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, but for a beginner, it's essential to proceed with caution. Jumping into this realm without a solid understanding of how to evaluate deals can be risky. Education and due diligence are key to making successful investments in rental properties. In conclusion, real estate investing offers a world of opportunities, and with the right knowledge and strategies, you can embark on a successful journey. Educate yourself, gather resources, and leverage the available platforms to hone your skills and make informed decisions on your path to become a real estate investor. If you enjoy this, you will get so much more value from the video that just popped up on the screen.